Hi there, it's Casey with Faith by Works Crochet, and today I wanted to share a new video tutorial. It is a pocket shawl. This shawl is very easy to make. You fold up the ends to create a pocket, and we put in some buttons to tack it. If you know the double crochet stitch and the treble stitch, you will have no problems working this. In the center, I do use a cross triple stitch, but I teach you step by step how to create this. We create this in the video tutorial using a swatch. So it's not the entire process of making this, but I teach you the pattern and how you can make you one very easily. I know a lot of people are dealing right now with snow, and so it is not too late to make your own pocket shawl. These are great for spring as well. They're also great for fall when you don't want a complete sweater, but you just want something to take away the chill. Anyway, I hope that you will enjoy this video tutorial. I will have it going live soon, so be looking for that. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss when that video is available. So make sure that you subscribe to me wherever you are on social media. Just search Faith by Works Crochet, and I'm sure I am on that platform. If you are looking forward to this pattern, please tell me about it in the comment section below. I look forward to bringing you this video tutorial. Until next time, happy crocheting.